All right, so let's animate a clip. There's various reasons to want to do it, to spotlight a student or just to create a more interesting video or to bring a certain group onto the screen. Whatever the reason, you can animate here in Wevideo. Now, the intro to my video where you see multiple clips scaling down on the screen, I did that in Premiere Pro, and Premiere Pro has some really powerful tips, some tools, excuse me, to do that with. You can do it in Wevideo, and I'm going to show you how. You can't really do as many as that. You know, as I say in the virtual ensemble tutorial, around 6 to 8 video tracks is about the max before it really starts to bog down. Now you can do something and then export it and then re-import it back into your Wevideo project, and that will make it run a little smoother. But it really starts to bog down. So we're going to do just one at a time here in Wevideo, and that's what I would suggest you do, is animate them one at a time. All right, so let's get into it. The big drawback, and here's my timeline here with my clip, and we're going to animate this clip right here to fill up the screen since this bottom quadrant here is black. Now the big drawback in Wevideo, by the way, this is the animation menu, all right, window, all right, there's transform and crop and animate. The big drawback with Wevideo is that there's no place to put in a keyframe like you can in, say, Premiere Pro. What that means is that, you know, when I hit start here, this cursor is going across the screen. I can't stop it and say, okay, enlarge this clip to this point and then stop enlarging and just play from there on. Wevideo is going to take the start of the clip to the end of the entire clip, and it's going to scale it to whatever I tell it to, okay? So the only way to stop it is to create 2 clips, all right, and begin with the end in mind, which is what we're going to do now. We're going to decide, and we're going to decide where we want it to stop scaling. I'm thinking the first phrase, like I said. Okay, there's a good spot. All right, so I'm going to open this up, and I'm just going to go in the transform here, and I'm going to scale this up. Okay, drag this down. Okay, that looks good. Okay, so that's where we want to end up. And so what I've done is I've done it to the entire clip here, all right, in the timeline. All right, so let's find that phrase again. All right, so about right there. Now I'm going to split it there. Okay, so now I have, as far as scaling, all right, I have 2 identical tracks here. I'm sorry, 2 identical clips, all right? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the first one. All right, I'm going to go click on animation. My endpoint is already there. Okay, that's where I want it to end up, and that's where it's going to stay. But we're going to change the starting point to be what the clip was before we started doing all this. So first, scale it to half size, okay? Starting at 0. Okay, there in the corner. Now when I hit play, let's save changes so we can see the whole thing here. And go back to the beginning. And you never know, all right? So what happened is, because Wevideo scales from the beginning of the clip to the end of the clip, it got to the end of that clip, scaled where I want it, and then it's a new clip, all right? But it's because of this, it's the same clip that we just split there. You don't notice any kind of transition there in the cut. All right, so a little workaround there to be able to scale to a certain point and then stop, okay? 2 clips. All right, now let's do this. Say we're going to just undo that there. Okay. Let's say we wanted to do the opposite, all right, like you see in my intro, and we want to scale this guy down. Remember, I began with the end in mind. All right, so right there is where we want to end up with this. So remember, split, okay? then change the first clip. All right, so remember, this is where we want to end up. Going to change the first clip, all right, to do what we want. So change this to full size, and then 0, 0, okay. And then we're going to animate it. At the end, we want that, okay. Oh, it's already there, okay. So start point is there, end point is there. Save changes. Here we go. All right, and you never notice the transition. You never notice the cut in the clip. All right, so that's how to animate a clip in Wevideo. If you got something out of this video, if this is helpful to you, hit that subscribe button. Leave me some questions. Leave me some comments down below. How are you using Wevideo? What else do you need? What else do you need help with? Are you using Premiere Pro? Are you using iMovie? What are you using to edit your videos with? Let me know down in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.